Hello everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the problem of client not responding in Rust. So let's start. Now for the first step, open the Steam launcher. After that, go on the top left corner, select the Steam logo and make sure to select check for Steam client updates. That way you will ensure that you have the latest update of Steam. Otherwise it will automatically start updating your old version. For the next step, go to the Windows taskbar, right click, after that select Task Manager. In the search bar right here, type in Steam and then go to Steam 32-bit, right click and then select end task, and once you do that it will stop the Steam servers from running. What you need to do for the next step is go relaunch Steam again. You just need to wait for the authentication. Now once it opens, go to library, after that click on collections and you need to search for Rust right here. Once you find it, click on it. After that go to manage, the gear icon in the right, and select properties. Now go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted file will be recovered safely and any bug will be automatically corrected. And that's it. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.